What's up guys, this is Chad from Soul Fitness. Today I'm going to show you guys my favorite exercise that help increase your handstand strength. Alright guys, so stay tuned. First exercise I'm going to show you guys is the spider handstand. So what you're going to need a wall just like this. What you're going to do, you're going to take your hands, put them down on the ground, and you're going to take your feet, walk them up the wall just like this. Try to get as close to the wall as possible. You want to make sure that you're not arching like this and that you're also not piking with your butt out. You're going to try to reach your toes as high to the sky as you can. We're going to try to hold this position for 60 total seconds, okay guys? It doesn't matter how you have to break the 60 seconds down, whether you do 2 sets of 30 seconds, 4 sets of 15 seconds, or 1 set of 60 seconds, okay guys? And come down. Alright, my next exercise that I like to use to strengthen the handstand is going to be the Kick Handstand. So for my beginners, what you're going to do, you're going to start with 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. You're going to keep your arms nice and strong by your ears. Once again, arms strong by your ears. If you bend your arms, if you're not strong enough, there is a chance that you could fall. Alright, so we're going to keep 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. All of our power comes from our back leg. My beginners, I want you to just start from here, kick, and come back down. Notice I kept one leg up, one leg down. That's going to help with safety and also get us over the fear of being inverted, okay guys? Now from there, what we're going to do, for my people a little bit more intermediate, we're going to keep our arms up nice and tall. We're going to reach, hold that nice L position, and then come back down. You're going to notice I had a little bit more hang time that time. So that's for my intermediates. Just try to get used to that position. My last way of doing this for my advanced people, arms up nice and tall. We're going to go L, and then feet together, and then try to maintain our handstand, okay? Alright, your goal is to do anywhere from 15 to 20 of those, okay guys? Alright, getting to our next exercise. So, our next exercise, this was going to be a little challenging. You're going to need something high like this, like a table or anything that's flat. You're going to get on top of it. We're going to be doing our half handstands. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your hands, you're going to put them down on the ground. Just like this. For my beginners, you're going to go into a nice tucked position, meaning that our knees are into your chest like this. Okay, you're going to try to cover your ears, push strong through your arms. If this is easy, we're going to try to lift our feet and get off our knees and try to hold this position, or the pike position. From here, we're going to move into the half handstand, trying to lift up one leg. And if you're more advanced than that, you can try to lift both your feet up like that, okay? And try to get into the handstand that way. That's really tough on the shoulders. Actually helps open up your shoulders really well. My shoulders are already burning a little bit. But all right, let's get to the next exercise. The next exercise, you're gonna need like 2 chairs or 2 boxes, preferably 2 chairs because everybody got that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna sit down in your chair. You're gonna lean on the back chair. You're gonna put your feet on the opposite chair. You're gonna slide this out a little bit to make it more difficult. Also, if you bring it a little bit closer, it's a little bit easier. So we're gonna do from here, we're gonna tighten up our body and keep our arms above our head here. What this is gonna do is gonna reinforce our handstand shape. What you don't wanna do, you don't wanna pike down like this where my butt is close to the ground. And also, you don't wanna overarch using our lower back. That's not what we want from our handstand. We want a nice straight line. So we're gonna make sure we're squeezing our abs, trying to maintain our straight line, arms by your ears. Try to do that for at least 60 seconds, okay guys? All right, from there, we're gonna move into the next variation. We're gonna do the same exact exercise, but now we're gonna do it on our belly. Keep in mind, this variation is a lot harder. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lay down on the chair this time. We're gonna put our legs here, arms up like this, and we're gonna try to maintain a straight line. Don't let your belly sag down like this. If your belly sags down like this, I swear you're gonna feel it in your lower back. It's not gonna feel very good. Also, you don't wanna pike up and put your butt up in the air. That defeats the purpose of the handstand. You don't want your butt out in your handstand, okay? So once again, I'm gonna be here, squeezing my body, trying to reach nice and long into this handstand, okay guys? Woo! That already got me tired. If you can see, I'm already sweating. But yo guys, those are my favorite exercises to help strengthen the handstand. If you guys like that, please like, subscribe, check out my channel. Until next time guys, have a good one.